Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to talk about one of the most advanced technologies within artificial intelligence: deep learning. While we have already seen how machine learning is changing industrial maintenance, deep learning takes this technology to a new level, allowing for more detailed and accurate analysis of data. Let's explore how it works and how you can apply it to improve your industrial operations. Get ready to discover how deep learning can transform the way you manage the maintenance of your equipment. Let's get started. Deep learning is a subcategory of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to learn from large volumes of data and make more accurate predictions. Unlike traditional machine learning, which relies on simpler algorithms, deep learning uses deep layers of processing that mimic the workings of the human brain, allowing it to learn and improve with large amounts of data. In the context of industrial maintenance, this means that deep learning can analyze very complex data from your equipment, identify hard-to-detect patterns, and predict failures with incredible accuracy. Deep learning is based on deep neural networks, which are made up of layers of nodes or neurons. Each layer of the network processes data at a different level, starting with simple features and moving towards more complex patterns. This approach allows deep learning to be extremely effective at recognizing subtle anomalies in your equipment's operational data. For example, if you have sensors that capture data on the vibration and temperature of a piece of equipment, deep learning can detect small fluctuations in that data that might go unnoticed with traditional methods, but indicate an impending failure. Deep learning offers several key advantages over other predictive analytics approaches. Increased accuracy. By using deep neural networks, deep learning can analyze large amounts of unstructured data and detect complex patterns, resulting in more accurate predictions. Real-time analytics. Deep learning can process data in real time, allowing problems to be detected instantly and acted upon before a failure occurs. Continuous learning capability. As the system receives more data, the neural network becomes more accurate and effective, improving over time. With these advantages, deep learning makes it possible to anticipate more complex problems and make informed decisions to optimize equipment maintenance. There are several key applications of deep learning in industrial maintenance. Predicting complex failures. Deep learning can predict failures in complicated systems that generate large amounts of data, such as wind turbines, mining equipment, or automated production lines. Anomaly detection. With its ability to detect complex patterns, deep learning is ideal for identifying subtle anomalies that may indicate impending failure. Process optimization. Deep learning can also optimize equipment performance by constantly analyzing operational data and suggesting adjustments to improve efficiency. These applications are transforming entire industries, enabling companies to improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and optimize their operations on an ongoing basis. To implement deep learning in your business, the first thing you need is a proper data infrastructure. IoT sensors must be installed on critical equipment to collect relevant data. Then, that data must be processed by a deep neural network, which you can train with historical data to learn to identify patterns of failure. Once the model is trained, you can use it to make real-time predictions, optimizing maintenance and improving your company's operational efficiency. A case study of deep learning in action is that of an energy company that implemented this technology to improve predictive maintenance of its wind turbines. With deep neural networks analyzing turbine vibration and temperature data, the company was able to predict failures with much greater accuracy, reducing downtime by 40%. This example demonstrates how deep learning can generate tangible and meaningful results for companies dealing with complex systems. If you want to learn more about how to implement deep learning in your company and harness its full potential to improve the maintenance of your equipment, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you take your operations to the next level. Thanks for joining me for this video on deep learning. In the next session, we'll talk about how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing asset management and operations optimization. Don't miss it. See you soon.